Hi friends, meet the future of cleaning, the Lictru Robot Cleaner. This isn't your average vacuum cleaner. With ultra-sensing laser radar, it boasts intelligent and accurate scanning and mapping. Imagine a super top configuration, powerful dust collection, and flagship cleaning, all in one device. The automatic dust collection system is a game changer, featuring a spacious 3-liter dust bag. It even has a full dust bag reminder and an automatic sealing feature to keep things tidy. Thanks to its advanced laser and radar technology, it measures distance with precision and creates an accurate map of your entire house. It's like having a digital blueprint right at your fingertips, controlled intelligently through an app. No matter where you are, you can remotely control your cleaner. Now, let's talk about its smart chip. It sees and understands 3D space, ensuring no area is missed. It's not deterred by low-light conditions and can navigate around dark objects with ease. This means more thorough cleaning every single time. The Lictru Robot Cleaner integrates sweeping, mopping, and vacuuming, intelligently cleaning your home while saving you time and effort. And with its large-capacity 3-liter dust bag, enjoy up to 60 days of effortless cleaning. Go on that business trip without worrying about dust accumulating at home. In just 10 seconds, it rapidly collects dust, cleaning without delay. It even gives timely reminders when the dust bag is full and needs replacement. Plus, the takeaway sealed dust bag prevents secondary dust pollution. Equipped with the latest super-sensing LiDAR system and advanced algorithms, it learns and adapts to your home environment. This progressive adjustment means more efficient cleaning routes and a superior cleaning experience. So why wait? Experience the future of cleaning with Lictru. Thank you for watching. Link in the description.